Remember how I said I hadn't pooped in a few days? That changed big time.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. My name is Ashley, and on this channel every Sunday we do Sunday challenges. So this week's challenge, I got glam for you, got a cute little setup. We're not folding underwears this week because we are more successful than last week. Although the folding underwear thing, I think you guys really actually enjoyed, but I also have to shoot some Instagram content, so I got glam. Anyway, it's Sunday. We went through the whole week. This week's challenge was drinking 2 apple cider vinegar shots a day for a whole week. And if you don't know, apple cider vinegar is really, really amazing for weight loss, for curbing your hunger, I'm actually just gonna pull it up on my computer, the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. So I got a list here, 19 health benefits of apple cider vinegar. I'm probably not gonna read all of them, but it's really, really great for weight loss mostly. But other than that, it says improves digestion, lowers blood sugar levels, improves insulin sensitivity, helps you lose weight, improves hair health, anti-aging properties, makes you feel fuller, helps reduce acne, reduces belly fat, reduces bloating, aids heartburn, lowers blood pressure, improves heart health, decreases cancer risk, kills bacteria, lowers cholesterol, improves heart health. They said that twice. Did they not say that twice? Contains antioxidants, and it's only 3 calories per tablespoon. Don't care about the calories. But I know in the past when I drink apple cider vinegar shots, it tends to help me lose weight quicker and help me not bloat, because I tend to carry a lot of water weight. I don't know, my body just carries a lot of water. So this really helps me de-bloat. So I was like, let me try to do it twice a day for an entire week and see and actually test the benefits, because whenever I do it, I know it's helping, but I've never actually measured the results. So this week I wanted to do it morning and night, right when I woke up and right before bed, so that we could see if this stuff really works. But first and foremost, I will tell you that if you're gonna try this, you want to be very specific about what kind of apple cider vinegar you get. I always recommend the Bragg's organic apple cider vinegar. It says with the mother on it, but I was at ShopRite and they had this Wholesome Pantry, which is like the ShopRite brand, organic raw apple cider vinegar with the mother, unfiltered, unpasteurized, made from organic apples. So it's basically the same as the Bragg's, but it was like half the price. So I tried it out and it's working just the same. So it's not a scam. It actually is the real good stuff. So if you can't find Bragg's, or if you want to save some money like I did, then just make sure that it says with the mother and it's raw, unfiltered, and unpasteurized. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure I mentioned that first and foremost, because if you guys are going to try this, it's very important that you get the right kind of apple cider vinegar, because if you get the wrong kind, it's not going to do shit and you're just going to be drinking a bunch of really nasty apple cider vinegar shots for no reason, because it's not going to do anything for you. Okay, so now we're going to jump into the clips of me during the week so you guys can see how I got along with taking 2 shots of apple cider vinegar every single day. I will say the last day, Friday was like the end of the challenge, and I forgot to take my last one before bed. So I took one when I woke up on Saturday morning. So I did all 10 shots. So 5 days, 2 shots a day. I did all 10 shots, but I don't even know why I forgot on Friday. It's not like I was doing anything serious. But other than that, we completed the whole challenge. So let's get into the week, and then afterwards we can talk about my results.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another weekly challenge. This week's, I've got higher hopes for than last week's. This week we're gonna be doing 2 shots of apple cider vinegar every single day. And if you know me, if you've watched any of my other weight loss videos, you could probably tell that I really, really stand by the health and weight loss benefits of apple cider vinegar. Honestly, it just does amazing things, especially for your tummy. It really de-bloats you. It helps your metabolism speed up. There's a list of things that apple cider vinegar does for your body, but it's just amazing. So that's what we're gonna do today. Or that's what we're going to be doing this week. So I'm going to take it right first thing in the morning, although it's kind of later now. I didn't want to take it earlier before I dropped Mitch off at the train, because I obviously wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about it, and we were rushing. So it's 9:16 a.m. now. I'm actually going to go weigh myself before I do this, because I want nothing in my stomach. I'm trying to think, when was the last time I pooped? I really haven't pooped in a while. This apple cider vinegar though, this shit gets your body going, so that will not be a problem. But I do want to get a weight measurement, and then we'll be back and I will show you guys how I make it and all that jazz. So good morning, welcome to Monday, happy Monday. I hope your Monday is going swell if you're watching this. If it's still Sunday when you watch this, love you, mean it. Hope you're chilling on the couch with some good holiday Halloween movies or something. I don't know. Anyway, let me go weigh myself. I'm scared. Okay, I weighed myself. I'm at 206.4. So for all of you people last week that were saying that I didn't actually gain 1.5 pounds, that my muscles were swollen, joke's on you. Oh my god, losing weight is so annoying. Or not losing weight, gaining weight is even more annoying. Okay, let's make this because obviously my body is in dire need of it. Let's go. Okay, what you're gonna need to make your apple cider vinegar drink, well, this is the way I make it. People make it very different, or like different ways, but this is how I make mine. It tastes the least bad and goes down easy, and yeah, it's just easy to make. So you need a cup first and foremost. You need some apple cider vinegar. You're gonna need some honey, and then also, and then you're also gonna need lemon. So first and foremost, I'm just gonna cut a little wedge of lemon, and you're also gonna need water, but we'll get there. Cut a little wedge of lemon, squeeze it into our glass. Try not to get any seeds in there so that you don't have to avoid them when you're chugging. And then you're gonna shake up your apple cider vinegar so that all of the gunk at the bottom gets in it, because you actually want that gunk. That's the gunk that's doing the work. And I'm gonna do 2 capfuls, which will be probably about a tablespoon. So 2 capfuls of that in there, should look like that. And then you're just gonna do a little squirt of honey. I don't really ever measure this, I just 1, 2, 3, yep. Just a little dollop of honey in there. And then you're gonna run your tap water to be hot. Run your tap water to be hot because drinking this warm or hot makes it go down a lot easier than if it was cold. Like, it really hurts going down when it's cold. So just make it warm, and basically you're just gonna fill your cup with hot water or warm water all the way up to the top. Mix it, chug it with a straw because it can damage your teeth enamel. This stuff is really strong and can really strip your teeth. So always drink it with a straw so you don't have to worry about damaging your teeth. And that's basically it. Mix it up so that honey can like melt in there and the whole thing can be sweet, not just the bottom. I use these reusable straws that I got on Amazon. I can link them for you guys down below. Ooh, I actually maybe made this a little too hot. And we chug. Yeah, I made it way too hot. It's like boiling. Ooh. When you like first start taking it, again, because, oh, I didn't even mention to you guys, I haven't, so I feel like I'm gonna get results this time because I haven't been doing my apple cider vinegar shots in probably like over a month consistently in a long time. So I think my gut really needs this help because it's really good at like clearing out your stomach, your gut, like just keeping a healthy gut. You got good probiotics and all that stuff. I don't really know the science behind it. I just know that it works for me and my stomach loves it. But when you first start taking it again, you are probably gonna get the shits. And that's just because it's doing all of that work of like detoxing your stomach. So like if you immediately feel like you have to go to the bathroom, don't be alarmed. That's kind of normal when you first start, but be aware of that. Don't like take your apple cider shot and then run and get on the subway because you might shit yourself. Like, I don't know if it's that serious, but like you're gonna have to go to the bathroom and you're at least gonna be very uncomfortable on the subway. So just do it like maybe very early in the morning when you still have time in the house so that you can use the bathroom before you head out. Don't like chug it and then head out the door right away because like you kind of want to see how it's going to affect your stomach. But yeah, that is shot number 1 for the week. And I guess I think I'm going to start doing, yeah, I'm going to do it right when I wake up and then right before I go to bed so that like it can help my stomach heal overnight. So I will see you guys later tonight and I'll hopefully look a little bit cuter than this. Good morning, people. It's day 2, and I have to say, yesterday, I took my shot last night. Yesterday, I definitely, sorry if you can hear Macho eating in the background, I definitely, remember how I said I hadn't pooped in a few days? That changed big time. And it felt really good. I felt like a weight was loaded out of my body. So I should probably weigh myself again, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna do that at the end of the week. But it's day 2, feeling good. This time I'm actually going to the gym, so I will drink the shot, get a workout in, sweat, shed some more calories, all that good stuff. Damn, Macho is really going ham in his food right now. And that should be that. And then we'll do the same tonight. Not the workout, just the shot. But I also like definitely had a stomach ache when I was going to bed last night, but I woke up feeling great and my stomach isn't flat yet, but we're gonna keep going. So cheers to Tuesday. Good morning. I figured you were tired of getting put in that cabinet, so I moved you over to this cabinet. So welcome to this angle of my kitchen. But it's Thursday morning and I didn't film yesterday because we woke up super early and went to the gym, and then at night I like almost forgot to do my apple cider vinegar shot and just like ran up to bed. I will say yesterday, one second. Yesterday I was very regular. I straight up went to the bathroom, like I pooped, I want to say 4 times, and then also again this morning. Like I am getting cleared the F out. Seriously. I had some gas yesterday, but I don't think that was the apple cider vinegar, although it might have been it fixing it, because I don't know, it must have just been something I ate. But yeah, my stomach this morning feels not flat, but flatter. Like I feel so much less bloated. It's finally like kicked in, and like I don't know, like it's starting to work. I know for a fact after this week-long challenge, I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna keep going because it just makes my stomach feel so much better. Just like healthier, things are moving, things are flowing, and it's just, I just feel good. Like literally I was just laying on, like I woke up and Meech was on the toilet. I don't know, tell me if you guys do this with your significant other. Meech was on the toilet and I laid on the floor outside the bathroom just like chilling with him. Do you guys do that? Is that weird? I don't know. And I was like laying on my back and I was like, oh my god, like my stomach feels so much smaller. Like it doesn't feel bloated at all. It feels amazing. And halfway through the week, like shit's starting to work. So I ain't stopping. I am not stopping. I haven't weighed myself, so I don't know if I've like lost any weight, but I definitely feel smaller in my mid region. And they're also getting a lot easier to go down because like at first that taste is really gross, but you just start to get used to it. And I'm starting to get used to it. You see this curl right here? Where is it? Right here. You gotta go away. So yeah, happy Thursday. I'm gonna chug this, get on with my day. I usually work out in the morning, but Meech wants to go to the gym later, so I'm just gonna wait for tonight to work out with him. Because like I go to Blink Gym and you get like free guest access, so but I have to go with him for him to go. So yeah, let's get her down. One second. The honey is not dissolving. My water wasn't hot enough. Here we go. Oh, it's like doing a shot of tequila. It hurts after. But yeah, I'll see you guys later or tomorrow or whenever I decide to check in again. Okay, so now that you've seen everything that I went through this whole week, I will talk about my results. So like I said in the clip, I started off the week at 206.4 pounds and I weighed myself this morning, or actually like a few hours ago, and I am now 205. So I lost 1.4 pounds in a course of 5-6 days. And honestly, I drank last night, so I'm probably kind of bloated and I haven't done my apple cider vinegar shot. So I feel like if I weigh myself tomorrow, I'll have actually lost even more weight. But the real result is 1.4 pounds down in 5 days. That's kind of crazy if you ask me. I also worked out 4 days this week and I was eating a lot healthier than I usually, or than I have been lately. So I think that definitely also helped, because I will say this, apple cider vinegar shots are not going to do shit for you if you're not working out and not eating healthy. It's not like a fix-all, cure-all, like magic potion that you can still eat McDonald's and still lay on the couch all day. Like, you need to pair this with a healthy lifestyle in order for it to work in terms of losing weight anyway. Like, if you still want to eat McDonald's and you still like, and you want your gut to be healthier, you can do your apple cider vinegar shots and it will help you. But in terms of weight loss, like, you still need to eat healthy and do the things that you would normally do to lose weight. This just kind of boosts it. I mean, last week I worked out twice a day for the whole week and I gained 2 pounds because I was still eating like crap and not doing apple cider vinegar shots. So I feel like this definitely boosts it. It just makes your body do the things that you want to. It just helps you lose weight. Honestly, the claims are true. It definitely helps you lose weight faster, but you do still have to work out.
and eat healthy. But I will say also, I feel like this week I had way better energy. I was more focused. I was more productive this week. My skin actually has gotten better this week. Like last week, my skin was really, really breaking out. I've also been doing a face mask every single day for another challenge that's coming up next week, but I feel like this has actually been helping my skin. I also felt, I mentioned to you guys in the Wednesday clip, I'm pretty sure, that like halfway through the week, I felt like, not skinny, but like my stomach felt so much less bloated than it usually is. Like it felt like my stomach was just like weirdly so much smaller all of a sudden, which I have to attribute to this. You know when you like go take a really big poop and after you just kind of feel like your stomach's completely empty? That's how I felt with this. But it's a good feeling because you don't feel like you got like all this gunk and like crap in your stomach. So yeah, I actually am going to continue to do this. I don't know that I'll do 2 shots every day. I'll try to do 2 apple cider vinegar shots every day, but I will absolutely make sure that I do at least 1 every day because it honestly really, really helps. I recommend it to all of you if you're trying to lose weight. Just to give yourself like that extra boost. It's really healthy for your body even besides losing weight. So like, why the heck not? I mean, it is gross, but like it has all these benefits that it definitely outweighs the gross taste if you ask me. But yeah, that is basically it for the challenge. So the results are in. I lost 1.5 pounds in 5 days. And honestly, I think that's pretty amazing. So highly recommend it to you guys. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you head on out. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever tried apple cider vinegar before and what your thoughts on it are, because I know a lot of you guys are trying to lose weight. You let me know in the comments all the time. So I want to know if you guys have ever tried this for weight loss, and if you haven't, are you going to start? Let me know down in the comments. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.